Nigel's jumping out of an airplane. What? Some of these kids, I feel like they're hustling us. Oh! All right, guys, I'm super excited to be here today at Fremont Skate Park. Okay, so here's what we have, guys. Today we have a box opening. And we're gonna open this stuff, and then if anybody does tricks, we're gonna give them stuff.
I want stuff.
Okay, let's go. You ready?
Me too. Oh my God.
Well, the first thing we got is a non-sheet of grip tape. There's no grip tape on there. And then we have a piece of paper. Who wants that?
Oh, that was my dream.
Okay. I would just throw it, but you got to do a trick. Please remain calm. A notebook? I mean, who writes anymore, right?
Dang.
Safety gear? AAA? Huh? Huh? Oh, bigger safety gear. Black. What? Helmets? We got a lot of helmets out there. These guys need helmets. Okay. Then we have a beanie, first try. A pen? First try? Second try, maybe? Oh, t-shirt, which I already have on.
Hoodie.
Oh my gosh, it's not a t-shirt.
Oh my gosh.
This is a hoodie!
Oh,
that goes to him.
You better get your tricks ready. And then because no Christmas tree is safe at Braille, your Christmas tree ornament. For your Christmas ornaments and your Christmas tree. And then we have a very special whole line. Go ahead. I don't even know what this says. Striped pullover, oatmeal heather, salt and pepper, can tis push it. Well, I don't know what that means. I've never seen this at all. This is cool though. Isn't it kind of funny how there's something that I have never seen? Oh. That's like a hoodie, but a t-shirt.
Yo, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy?
What?
You're not gonna notice it at first.
What?
There's 4.
No! What? If your life has never changed, and now it has. Okay. That is, everyone has their own t-shirt in this line. That is mine. Ow. How could I not catch that box? Broke my collarbone. Oh, this is Nigel's. Nigel White LS Big Drip Jones. Okay. Nigel right now is literally jumping out of an airplane. No reaction, nothing. Should we try that again? Nigel's jumping out of an airplane! Oh! There he is! Here he comes! Imagine if he skydived into Fremont, grabbed his t-shirt. This is Nigel's design, guys. This is my design, this is Nigel's design. Everybody has their own design. That's a long sleeve. I didn't know they were going long sleeve on that. Like maybe some oohs and the ahs. Well done on the oohs and the ahs. Okay, Uzi Walker. I've never seen this. I'm kind of nervous of what's going to be on this t-shirt.
Just expect the worst.
Really? What in the world, Uzi? It's an alien. Nice color on the t-shirt though. That's super cool. Designed by our one and only Uzi Walker. Ooh. Ah. What's next? Wow, Troy Film Tee Hawaiian 50T. I don't think they're talking about the police. Nobody. Tough crowd out there. You guys know what it means? Chi-hoo? Troy?
I don't know what it means. It just feels good to say, you know. Everybody.
Chi-hoo!
There we go.
Come on, give him a chihu. It's the Hawaiian battle cry, okay? On the back we have the bee, classic bee, and on the front we have the flying Hawaiian Troy himself. I think he shot that photo. Even though he's the skater, he also shot the photo. Yeah, true story. Aussie Daniel is got the quality.
Quality.
Quality. Quality? Okay, this one goes out to Aussie Dan. He's all the way down from under in the Australian war zone. It's a skateboarding koala, and I believe he's doing a what? A hill flip. A hill flip for Aussie Dan. And on the side, it says, in death metal writing, Braille skateboarding. There you go. You can wear this to your Guar concert if you go to one. Nobody. Pita Paka, Spider Gab. How should we open this one?
Slam it on my head. Kick it. Good job. Yeah, Parker.
Ow!
The ultimate disrespect.
I really don't like Peter Parker.
The only thing that could survive that stomping, Spider Gab. Come on, I need some real oohs and ahs for this one.
Ooh.
Wow.
I'm giving that to my dad. Gabe's wearing that shirt.
Spider Gab.
That's the one he's wearing.
Ooh. Ah. Well done, live studio audience. Okay, guys, so all of these are available at brailleskateboarding.com on the 15th, November 15th. They are released. That's right, so they're not released yet, so you guys are the only people that have ever seen these, and you guys are going to get the first dibs on all of these. All you have to do, all you got to do is a trick. Any trick. I mean, we got to, you know, we might call a different trick if we didn't think it was the trick. Here we are to give prizes to kids, and the first contestant up, Mowgli. Of course he gets in there.
I already have one of those. I gave one to my mom.
Technically, Mowgli's like a big kid, right, guys?
Yeah.
You think he counts? He's only going to get one try at this. Just kidding. What? You need more than one try for a front feeble down a 7th stair? I thought you were Mowgli from Jungle Book.
That's
Go
what
ahead.
I thought when I first heard.
Back up just a smidge. That's okay. We'll give him another try. Another one? Isn't he even on? None of us ever escaped the 7-stair rail. I board slid it a couple times.
That's scary.
Go, Mowgli!
Go, Mowgli.
Oh my word! Look at that guy!
Miles, all you 5.
Who's next? Miles?
Miles, all you 5.
Miles? Here you go, son.
This is all I wanted.
Who's gonna ollie the 5-stair?
Miles. I can almost do it.
You're next.
He'll do it first. I can almost do it.
Almost.
Aaron.
Miles! Miles!
Miles!
Miles!
Miles! Miles! Miles! Miles!
Whoa! Just kidding, that wasn't even Miles. Listen!
Was it me or was that first try?
Oh my God, that's really good. That was really good.
You got it.
Get your foot out of the kickflip position, put it in ollie.
Miles! Miles!
It can be way louder than this.
Miles!
Oh!
You got that, dude.
Make some noise, people.
He got
Yeah,
that.
he got you.
He did that.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You got one that does not fit you and one that does fit you. There you go.
Thank you.
Let's
Yes,
go.
Miles! Let's go.
The man of the hour.
Who's next?
I want to ollie
Who's
the
gonna
rock
top
cap.
that? Wait,
I wanna-
there's a lot of contestants here.
You said I was next.
And you.
Yes, rock cap.
Rock cap, let's go. Oh! Why am I the only person? Hey! Oh wait, on 3, first try. You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That was good. Well done. Well done. Yes.
I can't talk.
You can't?
I'll half tap 180. I'll talk.
Drop in?
Oh yeah. Yeah, he can
Where?
talk.
Small bowl?
I could drop in the big.
Let's go. Drop in the
Okay.
biggish bowl. What do you want though? Do you want your choice of t-shirts? I mean, we're really putting you on the line here.
beanie.
You want the beanie? Okay, let's go. Right there?
No.
Are you sure? Is this safe? Have you dropped in on anything?
We'll send it.
Yes.
I've dropped in on something like that.
Okay. Make sure when you put your foot on, push down hard with your front foot. You got this, dude?
Got it.
You guys got to make a lot of noise if he lands this.
You got this.
Full send, full send. Oh! You okay?
You want to do it again?
You want to go on the smaller side? Make some noise! Beanie, first try. You want to do it? You want to do a trick? You got to do like a kickflip blunt, tray flip out. I've seen you skateboard. Don't lie to me. True, he's like the best. What did you want to do?
I'll do rock to fakie and half cab.
I think that's worth like a Troy t-shirt. Go ahead. You got the pizza grip tape. Rock to fakie. Oh, half cab. Oh, like in the flat part. Let's give it up for him, guys. Yeah, you're welcome. What? Him?
Yeah.
Oh, him?
No, him.
Wait, him?
Yeah. White helmet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, him?
No.
Wait, him?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Whatever you want. Take it.
Aaron.
Wow. Well played. There you go. You could wear that. You could live in that. It's like a whole tent for you. He wanted a shot at the Aussie Dan for the big one.
He left me hanging so hard.
Some of these kids, I feel like they're hustling us. Like,
Yes,
I've never dropped
definitely.
in on the big side before. And here he goes. Wait, are you sure you got this?
I got the Troy one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a sec. Leave it in the comments below if this looks like, wait, how old are you? A 12-year-old version of me. Little bit. Oh my gosh, give it up for him, guys. Speed wobbles and he wrote it out. There you go, bud. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. I'll eat it flat.
Have you done it before?
You said right there. You said the big end. Okay, let's go to the shallow end. Go ahead. Oh, what? Rebate. All right, you got that. You got that. Are you okay? Body! Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You didn't body. You bodied! They're like looking at me. Look at his face. Right here. Oh my God. You got this though. Oh my God. 5 times in a row. Body! Just kidding. You can have this. Off of my back, the shirt off of my back if you land it right here.
The nose just sticking out. Oh God.
Nothing can cover that.
Looks like Rue.
Oh!
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh!
Yeah, boy.
That was easy.
Okay, let's get him the board, Gabe. Here,
I got it.
you can have this, and we'll get you the board. Okay, so this guy at the skate park earlier, shout out to Faithful Skate Shop. He just gave us this board. So luckily we have this board. It's an 8.0, and we got this grip tape for you. So well done. You absolutely killed it. Thank you. You broke your board. You landed that after many bodies. Wow. Well played. Let's give him a hand, guys. Well, thank you guys for being in the video. You guys are the best. Who wants to do the outro?
Me.
Should we all do it?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe. Turn the notification bell on.
Subscribe to Braille.
Subscribe. Braille is awesome. It's the best YouTube channel.
I love his channel.
It's the best YouTube channel.
And you guys learn how to skateboard too, because you can have fun like all of them. All of the shirts will be available November 15th at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you there.